Hey, it's me, Audrey Lee. I am at DCA. It is the Summer of Heroes birthday, and I am in line to ride the new ride, of course. Just as I said I would be, guys, the line they told us was 6 hours, but it's moving really fast. So I'm hoping it's only going to be about 4. But I am down Hollywoodland Street, and the line went all the way back to the front of the park. So we'll see how long it actually takes. Here's some Groot sippers. He moves. It says, I am Groot. And you can get these at Slip Jumpers and possibly maybe Award Wieners, but right now they're sold out. So check both of those places when you come. This is Danielle, and she got the Groot bread. Yes. It has olives for eyes. And it's jalapeno cheddar, right? Yes. And it looks awesome. Now you can get this at the place that has the sourdough, right? Yeah. What's it called again? I don't remember. You guys know where it's at. It's the place you get the sourdough rolls. So there we go. Lots of Groot stuff. This is Tony. She's a couple people behind me in line. And she waited how long to get the merchandise?
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours, guys. So if you want merch, apparently you can't get it right off the ride. You have to get in line, at least today. So here's the t-shirt. It glows in the dark. And it says, these hands don't scan. And then, very cool, there's 2 pins. You can get this one, which is for everyone, Guardians of the Galaxy, and it has the ride. And then exclusive to annual pass holders is this one right here with Rocket Raccoon's handprint. I really want this one. But like I said, with the pins and the t-shirts and all the merch, you can only get it if you get in that line exclusively. They're not letting us get in the line after we ride the ride, which stinks. But you know where to find it. Hopefully they don't run out of those pins because I want one.
This is all your fault.
Oh, he's speaking a really cool sign. Check that out. Oh, man, they got my name wrong. It's not Peter Quill. It's Star-Lord. Although they do call me Luigi.
Yes, because you let us into the trash.
Hey, I thought the tour sounded fun.
And what name do they call me?
Drax the Destroyer.
That is correct.
Got his name.
That's what bothers you?
Sorry. Gamora, daughter of Thanos.
I am not the daughter of Thanos! Ow! Ow! Ow!
You're not supposed to tap the glass.
Don't even start!
Hey, would you two keep it down over there?
I am Groot.
I know. They're so inconsiderate.
I'm Groot.
According to that, you're not Groot. You're a Flora Colossus.
I am Groot.
Don't listen to him. You are Groot. You want to know what they call you, Rocket?
I know
know what they call me. Cybernetic, genetic,
That's rodent.
Who wants to fight my fist?
I thought you'd be more upset about the rodents part.
Ain't nothing in the universe like me except me.
And that is precisely what he is in my collection. He is also notorious for escaping from every prison that ever tried to hold them. Which is why I have wired each cage with unimaginable power, coming directly from my massive generator.
Now for security bioscan. Scan complete. Once in the system, your hand scan will give you clearance and the doors will open towards you. Please stand by.
What name do they call me? Drax the Destroyer. That is correct.
To Vaughn's private
Into
office.
his office. Please step in all the way in the middle of his office, please. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It's so cool.
One step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully
scrutinize
scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that let's you this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. Ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Hey guys, so little update. We've been in line for over 5 hours now, but we are almost there. Making like 10 more minutes. It's kind of just like Tower when you get into the stair room. We went all the way to the top of the stairs, so I don't know if that means we're going to have a better drop or not, but we will find out. Here's what we have right now. And we do still have Fast Pass. The Fast Pass time has already started. I think we'll be off before the hour's up, so we'll get to basically ride it back to back. Fingers crossed that it doesn't expire before we get off, but I think we're really close. You're wondering where the abominable snowman is, guys. Tavon has collected him. I'm going to do my very best to record while I'm on the ride. Hopefully it's possible and I won't get so freaked out that I'm not paying attention. But I am going to ride it twice, so we'll definitely get some of the ride. And in case you guys didn't know, there's 6 different experiences you can have while on it. So hopefully we'll see 2 different ones. That's the plan anyway. We shall see.
row, both arms up. And reach down, tug on the yellow tab to your right. Thank you. Middle row, both arms up. Your right.
You ready, Groot? Yay!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you've enjoyed your tour thus far. In just a moment, a bioscan will grant you access into our Guardians exhibit. But in the meantime, the collection would like us to remind you to hang on to all loose belongings. Bags, backpacks, hats, glasses, loved ones, anything you'd like to keep out of your personal collection. In order to preserve some of our more rare collectibles, we do ask that you refrain from any flash photography and recording of any kind during your tour.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. I'm crying just a little bit. We broke out. It was awesome. Round 2. Okay, for all of you complaining about Tower of Terror being gone, just write it, okay? It's like so much better. Oh my gosh, my heart. I get too old for this. So, in case you guys are wondering why I keep saying we, it's because I met these awesome people in life. This is Joy and Ed, and they've been my buddies for the last almost 6 hours. So that's why I keep saying we're going back on, because we got our fast passes at the same time. Thanks to Ed, who went and grabbed the fast passes. And we all loved it. So now we're like party of 3 every time someone asks. We're in row 1 this time. Last time was row 3. This time row 1. Woo-hoo.